Hello students and welcome to Brilliance Online Edu Classes. Today we are going to deal with Prose 4. This is taken by Moments, The Kingdom of Fools. This is written by A.K. Ramanujan. Now let's know about the author. A.K. Ramanujan, he was born on 16th March 1929 and he died on 13th July 1993. He was an Indian poet, writer, and a scholar. He is the author of Folk Tales of India, which is collection of 110 folk stories. In the Kingdom of Fools is one of the story from this collection. As the name suggests, the story is about Kingdom of Fools. This kingdom is ruled by foolish king and his foolish ministers. The author tries to convey that foolish people are unpredictable and can be proved dangerous. So one must be enough conscious and be away from them. Now let's see the story highlights. The king and his ministers were fools because they ordered that day should be treated as night and night should be treated as day. Thus, all people will be working at night and sleep at day. People followed this strictly with the fear that they will be put to death. Even animals followed the same routine. In this village, everything, whether it was a bunch of bananas or a measure of rice, cost the same. Once the Guru and his disciple came to the kingdom. When they found what is happening, the wise Guru realized that it would not be safe to stay there. But the disciple was fond of food and found it very cheap. So he decided to stay there. The disciple grew very fat eating ghee, rice and banana. One day, a thief broke into the house of the rich merchant by breaking a wall. But the thief was going out with the stolen stuff. The old wall fell on him and thus he died. The thief's brother complained before the king that the merchant was responsible for the thief's death and so he should be punished. The merchant blamed the bricklayer who built the wall. The bricklayer blamed the dancing girl who distracted him. The dancing girl blamed the goldsmith for giving her ornaments late, and the goldsmith blamed the merchant's father, and finally the blame came back again to the merchant. They asked for the merchant to be executed on the stake, but he was found to be too thin for it. So, a search was launched for a fat man who would fit the stake. The disciple had become fat and so he was selected. Then the disciple remembered his guru's words and wished that the guru was there. As Guru had magical powers, he appeared at once and explained a plan quietly to the disciple to escape the execution. The Guru and the disciple started fighting among themselves to be executed first. The king asked them why they were fighting. Guru explained that whoever was executed first on the new stake would reborn as a king. So the king freed both of them and decided that he himself should be executed first to be reborn as a king. So after the execution, the people requested the Guru to become the king and his disciple the minister. Thus everything was changed and normal laws were formed. This story gives us message to be away from the company of fools. It also gives us values that not to fall in greed, but to be self-content. In order to tackle foolish people, one should employ wisdom, not logic. So I hope this video will help you out to understand the concept of the story. Thank you. Be safe, be healthy.